Yeah. I've brought 10 Fanta at the school breakfast. Yeah. Let's drink.
Hey guys. I will be subbing for your teacher. My name is Miss Green. Now let's do quick maths. Okay, Santa. What's 1 plus 90?
91.
Correct. Okay, Jessica. What's 10 times 4? 40. Okay, Caillou. What's 12 times 11?
Miss Green. I don't feel good.
Just answer your question now or else you will be sent to detention.
But Miss Green, I don't feel good. I think I'm going to.
Whoa. Caillou, how dare you burp in class? That's it, go to the principal's office now.
Caillou, how dare you burp in class? That's it, you're expelled for 2882377373737 years.
Ooh, group of O's. Ooh, group of O's. Caillou, how dare you burp in class? That's it, you're grounded for one. Group of zeros. 90099293393939993499997655432112725525257272776 years. Go to your room now.
Wow.